It is fun and rewarding to start your own virtual assistant business from home because you can focus on what you are most skilled at and what you think is most fun. How to start your virtual assistant service today and get a lot of customers fast. When you start a virtual assistant service, first, you must consider what you prefer to do. You can, for example, offer services as content writing, content management, search engine optimization, social media marketing, social media management, blog post writing, graphic design, website design, copywriting, video editing, and there are many more alternatives. So find out what you are skilled at and, even more important, what you will find interesting and rewarding to do. When you name your business, you can either use your name. For example, I have two websites. I have ceciliaelise.com and inventicity.com, and they are also my business names. Cecilia Elise, that's my name, and Inventicity is a business name I invented myself. I combined a couple of words, inventiveness and felicity, and made a completely new and unique name for my business. How to get clients? A great way to get clients fast is to join Facebook groups. There are thousands and thousands of Facebook groups for entrepreneurs and business owners. Join these groups and start posting and show that you are skilled in the area where you are offering your services. And soon you will be able to make contacts and start offering your services to the participants in that group. If you want to, you can join my groups. I have a group for virtual assistant jobs. And I have also a group for entrepreneurs and small business owners and a group for female entrepreneurs. I will post links to those groups below so that you can join them. First of all, you must, of course, join the right Facebook groups, the Facebook groups where your potential clients are. And you can just use the search bar in Facebook to find the groups that are right for you. In my experience, it is best to promote in closed Facebook groups. And once you have joined a few Facebook groups and found your target audience, you must post the right way. You cannot just post promotional posts. And I strongly advise you to avoid posting links. Especially don't post links in the actual post because you will get terrible reach. What you can do, and what I advise, is that you post a post with a question, and then you can answer the question in the comments, and there you can post a link as well. And what links do I suggest that you post? Well, it's great if you have a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something you give away in exchange for the potential client's email address. A lead magnet can be a video, a webinar, it can be graphics, it can be Canva templates, it can be PowerPoint templates, anything that help your clients solve their problems. Because when you solve a little problem for them, they will see that you actually can help them, and they will become interested in paying for your services so that you can help them solve more problems.